Hi, today I'm explaining about preparing character for dialogues. Okay, suppose this is in the previous class, before class, clearly explained you the procedure, how to make your ellipse and how to separate your mouths according to your voice, sound and all. Okay, so now I'm planning to prepare a character for dialogues. Okay, for mouth shapes, for saying dialogues, we have to prepare our character. Okay, so for that, what I'm doing, from file, okay, from file, import to library. Okay, so on desktop there is my character. This is okay, so it is already there in library. Drag this and get here. Okay, here I'm not going to trace the whole character, entire character, just I want only the head portion up to neck. Okay, right. So for that, what you will do, by pressing Q, okay, and press shift, and you can reduce the size. Suppose we want only the head portion, right? Then you can make this break apart. Suppose select this and control B. Okay, so you can break apart. Then your unnecessary areas, you can remove them. Select and delete, and up to here select and delete, and up to here select and delete. Okay, and suppose here also you can select and delete, select and delete, select and delete. Okay, now you can enlarge this. Okay, then we have to trace. So how to trace? I explained you already. So you can give the name here, reference, reference, reference. Okay, and over on that, place another layer. You can place here, name it character, or otherwise trace, TRACE, trace. Right. So here what we do, after this frame, you can click here, right click and insert a blank keyframe. Suppose here, click on that and right click and insert a blank keyframe. Okay, your blank keyframe added here. And on the onion skin, it's not added, just a minute. Just I'll create one more again. Insert blank keyframe, and this can be convert blank keyframes. Okay, because this is only my drawing. Okay, and here I create a new layer, name it here tracing, CING, tracing. Okay, but immediately at second frame you can right click and give insert blank keyframe. Already I gave. Okay, but here the visibility of drawing is not there. To make the visibility of that, you can switch on the onion skin, so that you will have a visibility. Okay, then what you do, you have to trace this. Suppose here I'm separating eyes, mouth and the other body portions. Okay, first I'm tracing this, the body. Okay, so I use this line tool. Okay, so here I want only stroke color, fill color I don't want, and this can be object drawing. Okay, so click on the object drawing and here give the lines. Okay, so the shortcut is N for line tool. I want to make the curves, I want to edit this lines, so I will click on the selection tool, or otherwise shortcut V. Okay, a line tool N and selection tool V. Okay, so now V, so there is a curviness at the anchor point, and now you can drag this. See this? Fantastic. Yes, the same way by pressing N, get the line tool. Okay, and with V edit that shape, give the proper shape. Right, then again N, okay, and again N, give the shape. N for line, give N. For changing shape to line, use V. So quickly I am using N and V, N and V. N for line tool, V for selection tool. Okay. So tracing is very important in animation, because for the primary jobs, so primary jobs means the starting jobs in animation, in flash animation, there are tracing jobs are there, tracers. Okay, this is the first job for the animator. Okay, so some people they're mostly the interest into tracing jobs. So animators, they create characters. Okay, so these tracing artists, they can trace these rough designs. Okay, so continuously I'm using N and a V to create everything because without showing how to separate your, how to prepare your character for the dialogue, you won't understand. Okay, so that is the reason I am showing this, then only clearly you'll understand. So here also I'm doing this. So here tracing means not blindly making lines. So you have to understand the anatomy and understand the character design. As per the character design and the mood of the character, and you have to trace. Tracing means not making lines over on that. So now I'm adding nose. This neck portion also I'm adding up to shoulder. So we are planning. We're planning. Okay, so now plan the t-shirt. So here for this round neck t-shirt, here I'm using this oval shape. So instead of the line tool, I'm using oval shape. So you can adjust according to your actual shape. So this reference point you can fix there and you can drag down. Yes, perfect. Good. Now what I'm doing, I'm adding shoulders. So the shoulders. Okay. Yes. Okay, then yeah, this side also draw line and just give the shape like shoulder. Shoulder. Yes. Then here close this, because without closing this not possible to fill colors inside, and there is a design on t-shirt. Add this also. Okay, and suppose Control C, Control Shift V, I copied this and I'm pasting there. Right, then you can drag this up to here. Perfect. Okay, this extra piece we can remove later. It's no issue. Yes. Now Control S, saved, and this is called what, the body, tracing body. This is body. Okay, and now you can lock this body, and over on that you can create one layer. Okay, and here what you do, you can create eyes. So I'm using again line tool, so shortcut is N, and V to give shape for that. And here I want to break the line, so that I'm giving the control, press control and connect that line, so that you will get the exact shape. And N again, so again give V and give the shape. Perfect. And this side also I'm giving N. Okay, and use selection tool V for shape. You have to follow the character as it is, that is very important. Okay, right. Then again press N, okay, and V. Yes, perfect, and give the shape, nice shape here. So it is very important. So break this and do the proper, the bit roundishness. Okay, yes, this is now what I'll do, I'll trace the eyes also. For that I'm using oval shape again. Okay, draw oval shape. Okay, and move this exactly on that. Okay, so this is nice. And again here you can copy this, Control C, Control Shift V, okay, and press Q. So move this here. So with Shift, see, you got this inside eye, inside round. Right, perfect. Now again copy this, Control C, Control Shift V. Okay, now this round you can keep there, and with the Shift you can move up to that shape. Perfect. And now one more line is there here. Draw this line and give the shape, proper shape. Yes. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'll select this whole eye. Okay, Control C, Control Shift V. So copy and paste. Okay, and now use a Q. First I use V. Okay, to move this side. It must be a bit smaller than this eye, because in perspective it is there in bit corner. Okay, it is there in bit corner, and bit oval shape also you can maintain. You can fix this. Yes, and you can bit reduce this size. Okay, and turn this, and maintain some gap between eyes. Yes, so maintaining some gap. Okay, so this is another eye. Control S. So give the name here, eyes, EYES, eyes. Okay, then lock this. Now create another layer here. This is called mouth, MOUTH, mouth. Okay, and just here insert keyframe here, and then what you do, can create the mouth shape. Suppose this is his mouth, and I'm using selection tool for the proper shape. Okay, and draw one more line here, one more line here, one more line here. So after making lines, I give the shape. Yes. Okay, this is, and there is a line here, so it can create the cheek. Can move up to here. Okay, yes, then one more line here, we draw. Yes, and now the teeth design here, I am giving a teeth. Okay, so I'll cut now. Okay, this is, and here one more line I'm giving, because must be there one line. It is the lower lip skin, lower lip skin. Okay, okay, so mouth is separated. Now what we do, check, this is a drawing. So now your reference drawing, select this reference drawing, okay, and keep this side. And lock this, come here and try to fill colors. Okay, so before filling colors, because already we drew with the object drawing mode, So you can select everything and make Control B. Okay, so Control B, then you can fill colors. You can choose colors here, whatever the color you like you can give. So just I'm giving some different colors. I want to change this, otherwise I'll take the same color because already the colors are there. So with eyedropper tool I'm taking this color, okay, and come here, and by pressing K, so that means this paint bucket tool, okay, I'm filling this. This is nice, okay. And now the skin color, for the skin color again come here, press I, so that you will get skin tone. Now come here, okay, you can paste suppose by pressing K, so paint bucket, fill color, okay, and all the skin area you can fill. Yes, now what I'm doing, these overlap lines I'm deleting. These lines not required, so because it is overlay, under that the other parts are there, so here I'm deleting. Yes, and here also few lines I'm removing. Yes, perfect. Now the same hair color with eyedropper tool I'm using here. Next I'll take t-shirt color, so press I, so you'll get this color, and come to this layer, press K, yes, this color, and again come to this layer, okay, and press this color and come here, okay, and with K you fill those color. Perfect, excellent. Otherwise we can change bit different color, something like yeah, try this color. No, it is not looking good, so this color I'll take. No, this is good, okay, right. So fill this color. Now what we'll do, lock this and open this eyes, okay. For eyes again select this eyes, that layer, and make Control B, so that will allow you to fill colors. For eyebrows also I'm using the same color, okay, and for eyes the same eyes I'm using. Suppose here it is this blue, is blue and white, so this is blue, and there here white, here it is white, okay, and here at our skin area I'm giving the bit darker than this one, so choose this color, okay, and click on that and open this, okay, and check the shade, okay, and press K and give color. Yes, perfect. Okay, now come to your mouth area. So open this, unlock. Okay, obviously here we use the same color. Suppose the original, yes, white only. Okay, first before coloring, before giving color, make it Control B. Okay, yes, with eyedropper tool, take this white and come here with K, fill with colors. So before that, what I'm going to do, so here I'm giving some break because this line not required. Okay, now I use white. Perfect. Okay, so this is character. So Control S. Now these empty frames you can remove frames, and your original drawing also you can remove, or otherwise visibility off and right click here and give a guide. Okay, so now this is your the drawing. Okay, so today we prepared the character to animate his lips. Okay, the word itself, what he says, the word is hi, how are you. For that dialogue we move his lips. Okay, so tomorrow we record that sound and I'll explain how to animate the actual lips for the how, hi, how are you, for the dialogue. Okay, yes, you also have to prepare your own character for the dialogue purpose. Okay, so this is today's lesson. The lesson is preparing character for dialogues. Okay, yes, you also do yourself, make your character, and if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, thank you.